Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to permanently delete contacts from Google account. It's simple. First of all, you need to open the Google Chrome on your mobile phone. And remember, it's same for Android or iOS devices. Simply go in the Google Chrome and on the search bar you can write Google Contacts and press on search button and open the first result. Here you can see all the contacts which save in your Google Drive or in your Gmail. Simply press on that account or number and simply press on that box. Now you can see the minus option or delete option. Press on that. Now you are able to delete contacts permanently from Google account. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.